Well, what's going on in a real world garage today? All right, we didn't do any video on this, but we're going to go over it real quick just so you know what's going on. Quick update. We had to take a break from filming on that to work on that. This dipstick tube was broken off flush with the block because whoever had this truck before, when they worked on it, they did not put this bolt back in. So this dipstick tube was sitting here vibrating as the engine was running, and over a period of time it snapped off. So in order to put a dipstick tube in this engine, it has to be removed from the chassis. There's about 1/4 of an inch between the oil pan and the cross member. If it was a 4x4, you could pull the oil pan off, but this is a short wheelbase S10 with the 4.3 and not getting that oil pan off. But anyway, it is what it is. We pulled these motors out of these trucks before. They're kind of a pain in the butt, but not terrible. But what I really wanted to show you today was I wanted to talk to you about the pour patch. All right, as you probably saw on the Mercury in one of the last videos was the pour patch and how I used it. And I don't want to touch this stuff too much. I've still got greasy hands from working on that old truck, but that piece is solidly mounted. It is not coming loose. That pour patch got it as hard as a brick bat. I have picked at it in a few places. It is as solid as it gets. I can't see any more light holes through any of the rust holes. And when we get this little project done, we will water test it to make sure that no water comes inside and that we don't have any more sealing and work to do. Now let's walk around to the other side. All right, we have got this side treated, okay? And I've been trying to devise a way, a plan, an idea, something of how I want to fill that rust hole right there. What I think I'm going to try is I'm going to take the pour patch, get you zoomed up in there, and I'm going to impregnate fiberglass cloth with that, and I'm going to lay it in here and get it neatly laid over that hole and get it pressed into place with the pour patch impregnated into some fiberglass cloth, and then let it set up and we'll see if that's going to work. I feel like it will after having used this pour patch, that that should work just fine. So when I get the opportunity to do that, I will promise to video all of that so that I can show you if it works or not. All right, not a lot I can do this week. Trying to get my son's truck back going, but just wanted to give you a pour patch update. I know there was a couple of people that had asked me about it, and I had not filmed anything, so I did want to get something out there to you to let you know that I think the pour patch is excellent, and I think it's going to work just fine. So what I need you to do while I'm working on my son's truck is to go out and watch some of the other videos on my channel, and it would help if you hit that like and subscribe button. Got a question? Leave me a comment. I'll be glad to try to answer it. Now, like I said, go watch some more of my videos coming on the channel right now, over here.